Hi guys, I just messed up. I hit the stop recording vid on my other one on my tablet. So this is Iron Horse, and I am checking on my brother, and because he's put down at the beach. I know I didn't went down there because I want to watch some of the squads, King Dad D-Mac, and squad old videos because I didn't saw. And here it is down at the beach. This is the lake. It's the lake. There's the camper. If you didn't see that pontoon, there's my grandpa pontoon. So, I don't know, we might build a fort. Last time I was here, me and one of my friends built a fort. I didn't make a video, but I didn't film, so I get that done too. There's my Zachary. There's Zachary. Doing great things. That's the other side. Zoom in. Is he? Oh, there he is. There he is. Zachary. Hi, Zachary. Yeah. That's funny. That was so funny. I don't know why I just did that, but I'm camping at Iron Horse. If you want to come here, it's Iron Horse Lake. Iron Horse Lake. What? What are you doing? Okay. I'm just making video for you. Making video. So, okay, I might come. I might build a fort. Okay. So if you didn't see the Fortnite one I made last time, so come see that one, and come and see Play K. What? I don't want to feel the water because I got my tablet. Who burnt stuff? I don't. They're stupid. People are stupid. Why there's horse? Oh, I thought the horseshoes.
Show me.
What?
Show me. Show me. Show me.
Stop, Zachary! 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 Really, Zachary? I didn't do that, but my brother did.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, yeah? It was smiling. Okay, don't hurt me.
I'll show you pain.
Don't. I don't know. Thank you, right there. Can you see me? Need a bigger one. 0. Yes. Wait, I'm gonna dig, and that be it. So
What?
Don't knock that down. Zachary!
I won't.